Welcome to Inspired Healing Meditations, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your favorite relaxing music, having a journal close by. Trust your inner knowing, trust your imagination, and know that all of this unfolds for your highest good and your highest healing. You are healing the planet and healing yourself. Feel free to leave a comment or a question, and I'm happy to connect more with you about this process. Much love. Enjoy today's meditation. In today's healing meditation, you are guided to call in deep, expansive, ecstatic, beautiful joy into your life. We all can use more joy in our lives. We have unlimited potential for joy. And so we take this time with ourselves to experience this joyfulness inside of ourselves. I hope you enjoy today's meditation. Let's drop into today's healing meditation. Close your eyes and turn your outer gaze inward. Focus on your heart space as you breathe, gently slowing your breath. As we inhale, we feel our heart space expand. As we exhale, we feel our whole physical body relax and rest into this moment. As we inhale, we feel our heart space expand and flow, moving through us. And we relax as we exhale. We set the intention of connecting with source energy, with love energy. We set the intention of grounding ourselves here on this beautiful earth in a space of belonging. We set the intention of nurturing this beautiful relationship with ourselves, the most important relationship we will ever have in this lifetime. We set the intention of healing from within, becoming aware of areas in which we need healing. We acknowledge that each individual on this earth is walking their own healing journey. Each individual has their own unique path to walk, their own experiences and learnings and opportunities. We acknowledge that we're all different, and therefore we release judgments of others. We tune into ourselves and what we can do to live our very best life, expanded, self-actualized, full of love and joy and gratitude for this beautiful life. We take a deep breath into love, joy, and gratitude for this life. We feel our feet firmly connected below to the center of Mother Earth, and we breathe with our heart. As we inhale and exhale with Mother Earth, we feel our root growing wider, sturdier. We visualize ourselves connected to the heart of sun energy. We feel our crowns open and our spine straighten. We breathe with the sun. We bring our awareness to joy. We bring a smile to our lips, and we consider joy in our lives. In our mind's eye, we picture, what does joy look like? We use our imagination to visualize ourselves in a place of joy. What are we doing? Who are we with? How does joy feel within our bodies? Set the scene within your own mind's eye of how you experience joy and what that feels like inside of you. And our purpose here on earth is to live with joy. We choose to live with joy. We choose to release anything in the way of us experiencing our fullest joy. We ask Great Spirit to assist us in releasing blocks, thoughts, beliefs, tension, worry, anxiety, anything in the way of us flowing this beautiful joy. We can visualize our release down to the earth, where Mother Earth's hands collect what we no longer need, and she transforms it like a mother transforming. We can visualize releasing to the sun. We can release upward. Anything in the way of us experiencing full joy, ecstatic joy. We let go, we trust that our spiritual team has us, holds us, nurtures us, loves us. We let go, we surrender, and we release, and we take a deep breath. If it feels right to you, on your very next breath, hold at the top and sigh it out. Make a sound as you exhale. And if you're not sure what joy looks like to you in this moment, go back to when you felt joy, to when you experienced joy. And hold on to that moment. Feel that moment bubbling up again within you. And now that we've released, we can call in joy. We can allow it to fill the space within us, the space around us. We can visualize laughing, friendship, butterflies, ocean waves, mountain tops, balloons, contentment. What is it for you that you would like to bring in? We know and we trust that this life path is unfolding for our highest good. We are grateful for this moment to release, to connect within, to expand and grow, to build and grow in self-awareness and love on our way toward more joy, more healing, more love. And we say thank you to earth and sky. Thank you to our own beautiful beating hearts. Thank you for the opportunity to live in this body, in this life, at this time. And you can stay here, or when you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Set your timer for 8 minutes to allow yourself a chance to free write, stream of consciousness writing, solidifying your knowing, your wisdom, your understanding, and enjoy this beautiful process of self connection. See you next time. Much love.